Let's see how my dog reacts to the sound of other animals because he hates other animals and other dogs. And okay, so I'm gonna point the camera at him. Timmy, stop mooning the camera. I swear to God with this dog. Anyways, let's do a dog first. This dog is dumb, bro. Oh my God. Timmy! It's not coming from over there. You're an idiot. Oh my God. Anyways, now we're gonna do a cat. Bro, I swear. This dog? Timmy! God, bro, I swear. Timothy McTimberson! Stop running around! Alright, well, he went inside, so we're gonna go inside too. Because my dog is dumb. Thought it was coming from the fences of the other houses. Swear, bro. I have a dumb dog. Hey, does anyone want to take him? I'll take yours if yours is... There he is. Hi, buddy. Hey, Sadie. What are you doing? Oh, that was bad. That was genuinely... Oh, my God. Timmy, you're dumb. You're genuinely dumb. Timothy McTimberson, you're genuinely dumb. Okay, I'm sorry, but you're a dog, and it's true. Alright, we've been out here for like an hour. Not even an hour, like 30 minutes. Alright, let's go inside. Bye, Timmy. Bye, Timmy. Bye, Timmy. Anyways, here are some other examples. I barely even touched him. Okay. Don't bite me. Better not bite me. Don't bite me. Barely even touched you, Timmy. You're not gonna fall off. Look how much freaking space you have. Yeah, from here to freaking here.